So the first thing you're going to want to do is you need to go into the App Store or Google Play Store, and you can get the Ikon Pass app. You can see right here, it's absolutely free, does not cost a dime. And basically you're going to want to create an account. It's the easiest way to see just all of the lifts that you can actually use just on this app and actually see what is open. But I'm going to continue with Google, and you can see right here, once you've actually created your account, it'll basically just take you to the inside of the app like it has done so here. And basically you're just going to want to share your location with this app so you can actually see which resorts you're actually closest to and which ones you can actually just view all of the open lift lines at, so you can actually get the most accurate info. But in this case, you can see right here, if you allow it to have your location, you can see it'll just show you on the home screen which ski resort you're actually at. You can see I'm at A Basin right now, and it'll show you the conditions and the next 24 hours, etc. You can view all of the different ski resorts, mountains, weather just by clicking on these on the mountain sign, and you can see your pass on this page like so, and how many days left you have. Or if you just want to buy a pass or a couple-day pass just on the screen, this is the easiest way to do it, easier than the website by far. And obviously you have your profile option over here. Basically the app is really easy to use, and you can manage your profile and just view the resorts and how many lifts are open just on the home screen like so. You can see there's one open out of 147 because it's opening day here. But yeah, it's pretty easy and cool to do.